An electric dipole of dipole moment P is aligned parallel to a uniform electric field E. The energy required to rotate the dipole by 90-degree E. Okay. Here, energy is nothing but the work done here. Energy is nothing but the work. We know that the work done, it is not a point function. The work, it is a point, not a point function, it is a path function. Then work done is equal to, we can write it as work done is equal to change in the PE, that is change in potential energy, that is PE, delta PE. Then we can write PE is equal to vector of minus P and vector of it is E. Then we know that PEF is equal to 0 because it is 90-degree means it is 0. Then delta, then PEI inlet is equal to minus PE. Then we can write delta PE is equal to PE. Okay. That means the energy required to rotate the dipole by 90-degree is, that is the delta PE, which is equal to P times E. Then option B is the right answer here.